Nowadays, building a home recording studio is far easier than you might imagine. Because really, all you need is a few basic essentials. And in this video, I'll show you exactly what they are. I will take you through the entire process of building a basic home recording studio from scratch. Since home recording setup can be expensive, but then musicians are often searching for the cheapest possible solution to record their music. As it is technically possible to build a working studio for as little as 50,000 rupees. What you have is a simple working studio perfect for anyone just starting out with home recording. Let's check it out. A few basic important things for your studio, which starts from a laptop or a computer, desktop. When starting a studio from scratch, a laptop or a desktop is the biggest expenditure by far. These days, most of them already have laptops or computers, and basically all computers are fast enough to at least get you started. So in the beginning, regardless of your budget, I recommend using what you have for now. If and when you want to upgrade, you can do it later. Second is your digital audio workstation as DAW, like a software which is used to record, edit and mix music on your computer. Third is audio interface, sound card. This is a hardware to connect your computer for better quality recording. Then you have MIDI controller, a kind of controller interface, piano style keyboard or an array of pads in order to trigger and control sounds within your DAW. Then you have studio monitors. Compared to consumer speakers, which are designed with various tonal enhancements, studio monitors have much flatter frequency response, which provides a more neutral, uncolored sound to objectively judge your mix. Basically, they are expensive, but there are still plenty of affordable options for beginners as well. Then you have microphone. Microphones, a decent microphone is a key. A dynamic microphone is a better choice for a home recording setup because it strictly picks up your voice and doesn't pick up any room noise. So it's perfect when you are at home and maybe you are not aware of background music or can't predict the background noise. Then you have studio reference headphones. These headphones can be really good for mixing because they don't blow out any features in the sound like bass or highs notes. Then you have cables. These are the things which connects your device, and a lot of different cables and connectors are used for connecting different equipments. We will cover in coming videos in detail on all these topics. So for more details and specification about the product, you can check out the link in the description below.